There is optimism in one tourism destination following yesterday's announcement of a reopening of the sector soon. Now, hoteliers in Negril, Westmoreland have been feeling the pinch since the COVID-19 pandemic. However, stakeholders are warning that the reopening must be to better the product if it is to work.
Stakeholders in Negril, Westmoreland are optimistic about the proposed reopening of the tourism industry. Member of Parliament for Western Westmoreland, Dr. Wickham McNeil, welcomes the plan as it's been a tough few months for everyone.
I was out on the beach yesterday, standing up looking out. Nobody on the beach at all. Everything is locked down. It's a difficult time.
At Wednesday's press briefing, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett indicated that plans are in place to reopen the sector in the shortest possible time. However, Dr. McNeil insists that this move must be based on a multi-ministerial and industry approach. He argues that international tourism depends on global players, including airlines, cruise lines, and foreign governments, and Jamaica has little influence on that market.
What will open up first, in my estimation, will be the domestic market, domestic tourism. But you can't have domestic tourism when you're having curfews, when you're having quarantines. All of these things make it exceedingly difficult, and also when you want to minimize contact. So we have to get this crisis here under control as quickly as possible, and we have to ensure that there's widespread testing, because widespread testing will make a difference.
Regardless of the approach, hoteliers are happy and optimistic about the plan. President of the Negril Chamber of Commerce, Richard Wallace, says he has been taking note of several international post-COVID-19 surveys on tourism. He agrees with Dr. McNeil's caution, however, noting that with every other country also reopening, it can't be business as usual.
And one of the things that it's revealing is that, one, beach destinations are a high priority or choice of people who are going to be taking vacations soon. And also that smaller resorts of less than 100 rooms are the resorts of choice now for post-COVID-19. And in both those categories, Negril is at the top of the list in those things. So we're very excited about it.
While brand Jamaica is a strong destination, he is encouraging changes.
One of the silver linings of COVID is that it gives us a chance to kind of reset and you know, to improve our destination. Things have shut down, and some of the things that were not working well for us before, we have a chance now to fix it when we reopen.
We will conquer COVID at some point and get over this hump. What we have to do as a country now is ensure that we are ready to rebound when the time comes.